See the sun.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
It's about 6:30 in the morning. Our two colleagues have gone. Have the bothy to ourselves. The morning of day 3, leaving the bothy and the midges. And off we go. Woo! Day 3. So early morning of day 3, the standing stones of Laggangairn. Atmospheric in the early morning mist. Through the plantation, going past all the blowdowns. Clearly can't be from 1986. It's got to have bigger storms since then, but a lot of trees down. Oh, what a way through Airie. Good morning, beginning of day 3. I've got my midge hat on, because there are midges. No, good day yesterday. Got to the bothy about 2 in the afternoon, had a good rest. Met a couple of other hikers. And now we're just making our way through the Forestry Commission land. Oops. Ooh, it's a bit sideways. Through the Forestry Commission land. And we have a 24k day to get to Bargrennan, get to a campsite there where we have facilities to have a shower and things. But this morning it's a beautiful misty day, really great. So we'll just see where the rest of the day takes us. So here are the heavy plant people who've put in lovely sort of gates to get you across the correct way. In the gloom. Said there would be heavy trucks. There's a small one. This must be the top of the hill. Not that we can see anything. Gosh, 8:30 in the morning and we see the sun. There it is in the mist. The triangulation point for the day. A triangulation point. First time Southern Upland Way gets over 1,000 feet. But unfortunately, not much of a view today. You hear some roaring and you come round the corner and there's the culprit. Almost missed him. Little frog. Hello. Hello. It's when you come through, these cows have seen so few humans that they all look at you. A few kilometres on forestry tracks. All of a sudden, we get manicured hedges and things have been trimmed. We must be coming into some houses. onto a quiet road for the next few kilometres. There's a lot of water in the Highlands. Now, is that radioactive or just an overactive council worker with his spray paint? Unfortunately, this little fella didn't make it. Just got to waterside and a refill point. Absolutely brilliant. Filled up. Off we go. Just the scene of the river. Big-eared sheep. Come to a little B road. We do have our sign. This way. Coming into the tiny hamlet of No. And that's it. Into the woods again. Bit of road walking. Now we get a chance to go back into the woods. Farm roads heading for that hill. These are the sorts of roads. Just grass in your pothole. Homemade sign. Coming up the side of this hill and you look round and that is Loch Ochiltree. Coming up to the trip point. Top of this hill. Oh, it's about 600 feet, it's not too high. But just look around you. Nobody here. What a view. Oh, incredible. Gotta love old marker posts looking out on the hills. This is about as wild as you can get in Scotland. There's nobody anywhere. We've got to make our way to that saddle straight ahead. You can see a post ahead, but there isn't really a path. So you're really just using paths that sheep seem to use. Well, this is an interesting mound. Yeah, we're encroaching on their land. Sheep are great, they just run away. You just got to find a human path. Right through their field. Hemmed in by fences on each side, they're pushing you across this pretty boggy land. Last 1 or 2 kilometres before we get to our campsite. Hopefully it's just sheep, although there is cow poo in here. About 1 kilometre off trail, maybe a bit less. Follow this path and we get to camping and caravan site. So that's where we are for the night. So this field, we can put our tent anywhere, it says. So we'll just see what's up. These are our facilities. We paid £24. So we're in this sort of bothy, or this shed for people who've got tents. We've been here for 2 or 3 hours and it has rained non-stop.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.